Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to continue with operators and we are going to see bitwise operator in this video. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing so you won't miss any future content. Now let's get into the video. Yes, so bitwise operators, we have three operators in it. First is and, or, and not. And this will going to return only true and false, which we are going to use in only conditions. Okay, so let's see how it works in JavaScript. Yes, as you can see, I have created one file in my JavaScript folder calling it as bitwise operators. And the first thing which we are going to see and okay, how it works and how we can create a condition with this. Okay, so for the symbol for and we have and symbol. Okay, so that we are going to use. So let me create two variables. First thing I'll say username. Okay, so John 002. Okay, this is a way username we have, and let's say password. Okay, so I have a password as test. So now this is the condition. Okay, we need to check if the username is going to match with the provided username and also the password. If both are matching, then we should be allowing user to do the other things, or we have to allow to log in. Okay, that's how it is. So basically if both are matching, it should be returning true. Okay, so that's how we have to check it now. So let's have a console and I'll say here username double equal to, and I have to write it as same 002, and then we have to use and then password should equal to test. Okay, so this triple equal to, what is triple equal to and double equal to, we will discuss in future, because generally we use double equal to in other programming language, but here in JavaScript we have triple equal to as well. Okay, so now you see we have a condition that username should be equal to the provided username and password should be equal to the provided password. Okay, so if it returns true, then user is good to go for login. Okay, that's how we have to say. And one more thing, here we have to consider that if you are using and both conditions should be true, then only it will going to send throw it as true, or else false. Okay, let's check that one. So let's run this file, is 12, and now you see I am getting true here. Okay, so let's write here condition if both conditions are true, then only it will return true. Okay, so this is the condition, and any of them is false. If any of them are false, then it will return false. Okay, let's check that. So instead of 02, I'll say 03, and let's check the output again for this. Now you see it's giving false. Okay, so if I change it to 2, again I'll change password as 1, and now see we are getting again false. Okay, so it means if you are using and operator, the both conditions should be true, then only it will going to return you the output as true, or else it will going to return as false. Okay, that's how the and operator works. Yes, so next up we have or operator. Okay, and the or representation is a pipe symbol. Okay, that you can get it above the enter key. Okay, there will be a pipe symbol and you can access with shift that. Okay, shift to that symbol, so it will be a straight symbol. See, this is how it is. Okay, so this is the representation of or symbol. Okay, so which we can use, and here we have conditions as if any one of the condition is true, then it will going to return as true. Okay, it's not like both the conditions should be true. Here any one of the true and it will going to return as true, and if both are false, okay, if both are false, that case it will going to return as false. Okay, let's see how it will be. Here we can see username and password I have created. Username we have star 112 and password as test 123. Let's have a condition for this. Okay, so I'll say username triple equals to star 112 or password triple equals to test 124. I'll going to write. Okay, so I can break down like this to see to better visibility. So username should be equal to this and password should be equal to this. This is the condition, but we have or. It means if any of the condition will true, it will going to return true. Okay, Okay, if both are false, it will going to return false. So let's see how it will going to work now. Now you see it's giving true because we have this condition as true. Username we have provided exactly the same, but password is wrong. That's why it's not returning the true. Sorry, it's returning true still because it's false because we are using R, right? That's why it's returning true. So if I say the same password as well, that time also it will going to return true because both are them are true. Okay, so it will return true. So if I provide wrong username and wrong password, if both are false, then it will going to return false. Okay, let's see this. Now you see we are getting false. So this is how the OR operator works in bitwise operators. Yes, so the last one we have is not. Okay, so and not representation is exclamation mark. Okay, so this is the representation of that. So if you have true or false, okay, if any of that is there and you use not, it will going to reverse the output. Okay, so it reverses the output. Let's see. I have a variable called is active and I'm calling it as true. Sorry, false. Okay, and now if I print this, so it will going to return us false as the output. So let's see now we are getting false. If we want to use not, we have to use it before the variable we are doing wherever we have, right? Here we have to use it. Now what it will do is it will reverses the output. If it is false, it will going to return us true. Okay, let's see this. Now you see earlier we are getting false and now we are getting true. Okay, it will work as same. If I do true, it will going to return as false because it is going to reverse the output. Okay, so let's run it again and let's see. Now you see we are getting false because we have provided true as a value. So this is about bitwise operator. We saw and, or, and not operator. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and give it a like. I'll be back with more content in the next video. Thank you.